This is Jerry McSparron with JMAC Engine Shop, and this is an engine rebuild completion video on engine number FM130631UCE. So originally this engine was from a car that came out of California, and it just was tired and needed rebuilt badly, and so we fixed it up on that. It's runs really good. It has about 75 pounds of oil pressure on startup, and it compression was 170 across the board. It was rebuilt with some performance in mind. It has a 270 duration cam, and the compression was increased by shaving the head, and it's got the head thickness is 2.99 inches, which should give it about 36 cc's of compression space, and flat top pistons. It's pushing about 9.1 to 9.5 compression, I would say, and so it runs very well. It's been completely gone through. Everything's brand new, new bearings, new pistons. Crankshaft's been turned. Rods have been reconditioned with new small end bearings, and has been the bushings have all been reamed to fit, and so it's a very snug engine, and so I'll let you hear it run, and then we'll talk about it. It doesn't have a muffler, so it'll be rather loud, and I'll run it up to about 2,500 to 3,000 RPMs after I get it running, but I won't be able to talk very much, so I will show you the gauges and show you what kind of oil pressure it's running. And it's kind of cold because I've let it cool off, and then retorqued the head and readjusted the valves so that it's it's ready to go. So we'll start up. That's the fuel pump you hear clicking. Okay, well, there you have it. And the crankshaft has been, the rotating assembly has been balanced, and flywheel's been turned, and it's all cleaned up. It's ready to go. We're making good oil pressure, and I'm very pleased with it. So it's for sale, and anybody interested in it can contact me through my website, jmacengineshop.com. Thanks for watching.